Now that we've achieved a level grade and some basic sculpting with our 4-foot level, the next step will be to soak or get the whole entire area wet so that we can prepare for compaction. So what we want to do is just get a sprayer or a hose with a sprayer nozzle that we can put on a shower and just saturate the whole area. After we let the water soak in for about 15 minutes or so, depending on the ambient temperature out, how dry it is, we're going to let this soak into the material for about 15 minutes, and then we'll get ready for compaction. It's important to soak the area very good and allow ample time for the moisture to get down through the material, because if only the top is wet and the bottom is still dry, it will cause clumping on the bottom of your compactor, and as you continue to compact, you'll have very deep grooves in your surface base material, and then you'll have to scrape that off from the compactor and then go back and refinish those areas. So it's important to look for those grooves starting to happen before you do a whole entire area.